Create next file. We are going to see the navigation and banner. How to create the navigation, how to create the banner. Division. Body open close. HTML also open close. Body open close. HTML also open close. Home.html is the file name. File name is home.html. Ready home file. Now let's go to your folder. You have a main folder that is for Bootstrap 5.3. This folder we have Bootstrap 5.1.3. We'll go inside. Let's come inside that folder. After that, we have a folder called site, SITE. Original folder of Bootstrap that we have downloaded. Unzip one, not the zip one. Unzip one. Okay. After that, under the site folder, you have called component contents. Under the site folder, we have called content. Under the content, we have one docs. Under that, we have 5.1. We have inside a folder called this one, examples. Check that. The URL you can check no directly. Check the URL. Where is still example folder? Let me send to the chat also. Some people are not able to locate this zip folder. The zip folder will come in chat. If you found the example folder, copy that and paste under the main Bootstrap folder. where we created the files. Copy that and paste under the main folder where we have created the files. Meaning in the under the example folder, many files are there that we required every time. So going inside is difficult. So better that folder itself paste outside. So will be easy. Go inside example, take particular and implement. Okay. So hope all had done. You can reply yes in the chat. Then we can move next. Okay. Very good. Now come under the example folder. Under example folder, we have a folder called nav bar fixed. Nav bar fixed. One folder will be called nav bar fixed. Many folders are here. All are the different type of example. Like suppose dashboard, it will have some dashboard icons, some home page design. If you go to the header, it will have a header section. If you go to the footer, will have footer code. If you go to the sidebar, it will have some left side code. If you go for the nav bar fixed, it will have the navigation sample code. If you are till the nav bar fixed folder, go inside and you have an index file, open their code. Go under the index file, open their code. Go under the index file, open their code. Okay, so we got this file. Inside that you can see the nav tag start and nav tag end. Nav start and nav end. Correct? We found nav start, nav end. Now from the nav start to nav end, we can copy nav start to nav end. You can copy nav to nav. You can copy and paste in your home file. Nav to nav you copy and paste in your home file. And you can check one very good navigation will appear. Black color navigation will appear on the top. Okay, you got it. Nav to nav came in the home file. If you run the home file, you will find a very good menu will appear. Menu will be in which color? Black. We have multiple color combination for background purpose. We can change and we can have a look. So the navigation look like this. You want to keep same black color or different color? See here in the last, can you see the BG dark? How many color combination we have? Danger, success, info, warning, secondary. Change करके देख लीजिए. Please change the class name, last class name, and have a look. The changing or not. So hope it is working. Which color you change? So green color I change. Green color. Okay. Next, after that, it's your own wish. You can keep any color combination, no problem. Okay. Now after that, we can add some navigation, some more link here. We can add the icon. We can change the company name. You may ask like why we have copied and pasted this one. Why can't write? See, class names are long class names. It's a difficult class name to remember. Okay, so it is not necessary that everything we need to remember only. Okay, and even the people who has made this library, they also know it's difficult to remember everything. So they are given a completely folder itself. Sample code you can take, and according to your need, you can modify it. Okay, come next. So in this file, it is saying like navbar fixed top. You can write any company name, write your name only. Okay, I will write a name here. I class. FA hyphen search. FA search. So search symbol will come and keep here FA hyphen LG, little bigger. Write again text hyphen some different color. Okay, anyhow white will come, let it be. After that, you can write any name. So I will write here first inquiry. First inquiry. is our one website. We can write any name and see how that look. Okay, so check now. Search icon is coming. Some search icon like this. Okay. Next, after that, we have a home icon below, home link. Font awesome you have called or not? You have called the font awesome? Okay. So below we have here some page link here there. Unnecessary content we can remove. And we can write here. Suppose current file name is home. So we can link here to home.html. Home let it be same. But before home, you can create a icon. Before home, you can create a icon here. Something wrong. You can create a icon home FA home. You can write here FA hyphen home. So it will give you the home symbol. FA home. So it will give kind of a home symbol. Okay, so one icon is coming. Home icon. Home icon should appear. See, home and text, there is no space. Between home and text, there is no space. That is here. When I have written the home, before home, there was no space. So when it will work in the browser, there also it will come without a space. A space will not come. Where is the downloading folder? Let me look at okay, first one. Go to the first one. Then go to the sites. Then docs. Site means content. Docs. Sample folder. Copy that. Keep out there. Copy option. Do the right click on that. Copy it or copy. Go to the main folder. Open your code. First, maximize, keep it full screen. Yes. Go there, line number 17. Now click there. Click before that. Before white space. Now press the same. Come down. Press after the nav in the last. Click again after the press. NFP, before NFP, there is a tab that is not completely valid. Okay, so hope coming for everyone. Go next. Navigation. Next, after that, this we have the next link. Next link is there right here. Something else. You can follow a link called service.html. Inside, we can write here a class name FAFA tools. FAFA tools. Right there, our services. FAFA tools, right there, our services. Okay, we are getting a tools icon, but this is not highlighted. Okay, because you are on the home page, there is a class called active class. You can see there is one class called active class that is applied with the which tag, that applied with the nav tag. Okay, next after that, see my system, this is little code lining problem is happening. I will make like this. Screen size is smaller. So indent, inline. Okay, our services. Next, the disable link is there. You can remove the disable. It will make unhighlighted, deactive. href equal to. You can write here something. Register dot html. We can write here call FAFA user hyphen plus register. Add one more link. Login.html. FAFA log. Write one more li. Contact FAFA map hyphen marker. Map hyphen marker. Navigation is ready. Something like this. Reply once if it's ready in a way. Inside the UL 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 link we have added. So overall 5 pages we will be creating and we will be linking to this header file. Okay, cool. Next, after that, this search button is here in the right side. Can you see it's not visible? Which color you are given? In my case, not visible because mine is it's coming up because success is there. I have given green color and the button is also outline success. Can you see? If it changes outline danger, then it will come. The outline I have given. So now it is coming. Or outline, if I remove, directly red color will come. Button danger. If I keep only directly button instead of outline, it will come complete red color by default. So in green, it will be visible clearly. Your color combination, whichever you have, just give the cross color to the red button. If it is you follow green, then follow red. If you follow maybe danger, then follow here a light different color combination. Okay, so navigation is ready now. After navigation, we need to have one banner here. Banner, moving photos. Okay, banner. So navigation end somewhere. After end of the navigation, you will write a comment. You will write a comment saying like navigation, not navigation, banner. Banner start here. Banner start here. Banner start here. Banner start here. And banner end here. Banner start and banner end. So it will be easy to find out the code years where the navigation is end, where the banner start, where the banner end. Clear? Now come to your folder again. You have example folder. Look in that. You have a folder called carousel. Carousel. Find out the folder called carousel. Carousel folder. Carousel folder. Now come to the carousel folder. You have again one file index.html. Open that file. Index.html we can open. Now in index.html, come down below. You have line number 37, 38. There one line is starting div id equal to my carousel. Div id equal to my carousel. Hope we found it. It start line number 37, 38 and it's end somewhere line number 84. Right? 84 is ending. Next, after that, line number 38 to 84 you will copy properly. Okay, line number 38 to 84. The division to division we can copy. Div to div you can copy. Div to div you can copy properly. Div to div you can copy properly. Copied. Div to div we can copy, and after that come to the our main file that is called home.html. In home.html we have written all the banner start, banner end. You can keep inside. Paste here. Ready? Yes, no. Customization is required in that, many things. You can check the page, anything is coming in the browser. Something will come just like it's a shadow. Nothing has come. Okay, no problem. Now let's come there. It's here only, but it's not visible. Text is also white and the page is also white. Okay, so at this place now you can see carousel start, carousel end. We have proper code we have taken. It's not like you should leave one division and copy extra division. Okay, next after that in this carousel section you can see in the beginning there is a class called indicator, carousel indicator. Carousel indicator is nothing but you will have three dots. If you click on the dots, the photo will get changed. We will get to know how that is going to come. Look down below. There is called carousel inner, class called carousel inner. That is the main section. Inside the carousel inner, you will have a class called carousel item. Right? Carousel item. Carousel item. How many times are there? Carousel item is available 3 times. इस तरह से just give some space like this. Okay, next after that, in this you can see here one placeholder is coming. Placeholder within the flower bracket. Again in the second also have the flower bracket, and here also we have the double flower bracket, double curly bracket, right? So this double curly bracket is for image purpose. We are going to remove that section and we are going to write img src. In current folder already we have some photos 1 2 3 4. So you will be deleting this first section. In the first carousel we have this one, the flower bracket section. Delete that. Right there img src equal to 1.jpg, and after that you will write here width of the photo should be 100%, and height of the photo should be somewhere 400, and this you will repeat all three places. Hmm. By default is a pixel only. Width is full width and height is 400 px. By default number will come in the px only in HTML. In case in CSS, if you will not write pixel 100, if you wrote height colon 100, you will not mention the pixel, what will come? Px, rem, em percentage, what will come? By default px will come. Okay, 2.jpg, 3.jpg, check now, photos are coming. Okay, so hope 3 photos are coming and your page will look like this. Automatically the banner is also moving. If you click also it will move. If you not click also it will move after certain second. Okay, clear, something like this. Okay, next what you can see, some portion of this banner is hiding inside the navigation. When we have gone through the CSS, we have seen a property called position fixed. Position fixed. How it was? It was hanging on the top and the content will get scroll inside. This is also same. See how to identify. You can see this indicator having less space on the top, whereas more space in the bottom. Right? It is in the center actually. So from top, some portion is hiding. Some part of your image is below this banner. Okay, some part of the image is below the banner. So you will come here and inside this file, you have the body tag. Inside the body tag, you will follow a class. You will follow a class called PT5, padding top 48 pixel. So the banner what we have, navigation is a fixed navigation. It will be on the top, but the content of the remaining content of the body will leave 48 pixel from top and then it will start. That is called PT. Okay, let's go ahead. Hope you got some space from top. Now height of the photo got increased. The height of photo got increased because earlier it was hiding behind the menu. Now it's came out from the menu. Okay, now it is not hiding inside. Some 5-10 pixel will be there. So, but that is not a big problem. So it is able to manage, plus it's running. Minimize your screen. Make your browser restore. Click on restore button. After that, you will see this icon will come here. Automatically 3 lines will appear in the right hand side. If you click on that, navigation will open. Here, navigation is opening. One JavaScript file you are calling inside bootstrap.min.js. Because of that, this all activity happened. Okay, if you remove the JavaScript file, this line will not come. Line will come, but click this will not open. This menu is getting toggle because of the feature of toggle from the JavaScript. Okay, that is written under the bootstrap.js file that we are calling on the top. Okay, so hope clear. Navigation plus banner. Next, after that, what should happen? Like when you come inside the page, the banner will be on the top. After banner, there should be complete blue background here, and under the complete blue background, we need to display some contents, maybe about us, contact number, something. Anyone banner is coming different? You can say yes, no. See, the code was on different places. You two can you mix together. After that, this becomes a complete page. Not only page, responsive page. It will work in the mobile also. Menus will get collapse expand. Go ahead then. 4 people sit, working. Okay. Come after the banner. We have written the comment properly. Call banner end here, banner start here. After end of the banner, you are going to start the container fluid or section tag. Write a section tag. Section. Under the section tag, you can write bg class equal to bg hyphen primary, bg primary, and p hyphen 4 padding 4 and text hyphen white. Everything should appear in white color. Follow the container division class equal to container. You will ask why we are following the section. If we are going to follow the container, then section we are going to follow because section will cover A to Z width from beginning to last. It is not going to leave a single pixel. And for that section, we have given the background as a primary. So what will happen? The complete background will be blue color. And the container will leave some space in the left, some space in the right. So the content will fit properly. Okay. Now if you apply the BG primary for container, you will have some gap in the left and right. Div class equal to row. Under the row, you will follow the division. Call hyphen LG hyphen how much? 9. Okay. And for row level, you can write text center. Text hyphen center you write for the complete row level. And inside the 9, using H1. First inquiry. Welcome you. Now come down below, paragraph you open close, right inside. Hope written, please check once. It is covering how much of it? First left, Okay, so there is some less content. Let me increase little. At least 3 lines it should cover. So it is here somewhere. Okay, little more is required. Half text. Some more line we need to add. Should not be something here there. Should well aligned properly. Okay, cool. Now after this, within the 9 only. After this, within the 9, after the paragraph. After the paragraph, within the 9, can you display 4 photos? After the paragraph, within the 9, can you display the 4 photos? That should come rounded circle. Rounded circle, we have a class img fluid space img space rounded circle. Try displaying 4 photo there. After the paragraph, display the 4 photo and send the code in the chat once. Hope we are writing. After paragraph, what we need to do? 4 photo in 1 line. Paragraph is the part of 9. After the 9, we are going to display, and we have discussed like in case inside the column, you need to create the again a row. What we will do? Inside the column, how many photo? 4 photo. That meaning 4 columns. So inside the 9, you have to create a row. Inside the row, there will be 4 columns. And inside each column, 1 photo. No, done. Waiting for some code from the online people. This is 9 is ending, so you should write a comment here. 9 end. Okay, before 9 end, you need to create a row. Inside the row, you will have total 4 columns. Inside the row, you will have total 4 columns. IMG fluid you follow was in discussion, fluid rounded. Rounded circle, you need to follow the class. The photo will look round photo. So the photo will look round photo. Look at here, it's coming like this. Round photo if you follow. What is the class for that? Rounded circle. We have a class here called rounded -circle. Rounded circle. Clear? Next, after that, 3 is pending, right? Next 3 is pending. 3 or 9? Oh, 9 we have completed. 9 you have completed. Now you are pending with the 3. Inside the 3, so see here, 9 is end here. After that, create the 3. Division class equal to call LG3. Call hyphen LG hyphen 3. Okay. Inside the 3, using the card. Inside the 3, we remember the card feature. Inside the 3, using the card header and card body, you will ask the name and email ID and one submit button. Where inside the 3, follow the Bootstrap card feature, follow the card header and card header body, footer no need to follow. Okay, and under the header it will be written contact us, and under the body there will be name and email, and then one button called send. Try. So hope we understood what we need to do. Under the 3, we need to follow the card, header and body. Card, then header and then body. Under the header, you will write contact us, and under the body, there will be full name, there will be email ID, and there will be send button. So till date, all the photos whichever I have sent you, you have created or not? बनाया कि नहीं आप लोग? We have created. If you have created, then you will not face problem. If you have not created, then definitely there will be a problem. Assignment, Bootstrap is going on, clear the Bootstrap. When the JavaScript will come, JavaScript itself is difficult. Okay, you will not get time to look left, right again. So hope you will clear the Bootstrap now. When the JavaScript will come, JavaScript will spend that time. Name, email ID and submit button. Send a message. Here is the output, but this is coming in the left side center. It should come in the left side. For this call LG3, you can write text left. No, for not 3, for the card body. Text left. Text left. So all the text will appear in the left side. Not happen. No. Text hyphen. No, left is not there. No. Text hyphen start. Text start. Text start or text first. Text start. So working. Now this section is end. This section is end. In this section, we will not add anything. Come after this section, there will be white block. This becomes a dark block. After that, there will be white block. Section end. Here, after section, create another section. Class equal to bg-light, and then p5 again. Come inside that division class container, next division class row, section is ready, row is ready. Inside that row, empty you can follow, empty somewhere 5. So from top you will have very good space. Oh, if you follow the empty, there will be white space. Empty must follow, because this is the light and the first one is what? Blue. If you follow the empty, then in between white will come. That will look something else. So in this block, the last section we are creating, there we are going to display the services like font awesome icon with the text. That also pull left. The icon will be in the left side and text will be in the right side. 3 blocks total. Go here. a division class equal to division call hyphen lg hyphen 4. Inside the 4, you will not write directly because we want to give little more space. Class equal to more space will give, okay, p hyphen 3 padding 3 surrounding it will have some space. Inside again I, okay, I class equal to fa hyphen desktop fa hyphen 4x text hyphen warning text warning fa hyphen full hyphen left. Okay, after that you will follow the h4 software services below. You will print a paragraph. Inside the paragraph at least 3-4 lines we need to add. Sequence and write the comment also saying like for end here, for end here. Okay, clear? Clear? How it look? Desktop in the left side and the text in the right side. Text look like little more, so we can reduce it. And for P3 you have written, you can write inside a class call. Which class? Border will look better or not? Border. And then rounded also. Border and rounded also. Rounded will give you little round shape border, that is also looking better. So this way, how many can fit in one line? 3. Let's do that. So hope you have written the comment. Okay, we started with 18, people get reduced. You have 2-3 type of support. Video support you have, you are writing the code, correct. Assignment support is there. अब इतना हेल्प होने के बाद नौकरी नहीं मिलेगा तो कब मिलेगा भाई? Next you need to sit in home. Suppose you have classes for 2 hours, 1.5 hour. In home you should sit for 6 hours. In home, how many time you spend? How many hours? Honestly बताइएगा. Okay, so daily you spend 6 hours in home. Okay, 6 hours in home. In 3 months, if job will not come in your hand, then you can come and ask me. Daily 6 hours I have spent in home. Where is my job? Okay, spend कीजिए. In the January there will be a huge interview. January after 15, 20 or maybe end of the January there will be unlimited interviews. Now companies are on vacation. They are sending the email saying like we are not available for next 10 days. We are not available for the till end of the December. Email will be delayed in reply. Because big company will have shut down in the December. Okay. Study. Hope you copy and pasted how many times? 4 times. Change the icon now. Software services, marketing. For marketing, you will use the suitcase. And that you can keep as a which color? Success, green color. Pull left. Again, come down. FA desktop. After that, FA something. Headset should be in primary. And you can write here for support support service. So total 3 boxes will come in one line, and that will look well designed. Okay, so hope our page look like this. Look like template. So this becomes a white block. After this white block, again we need to keep a dark block. Okay, after this again we need to keep a dark block. In that dark block, you are going to display the 12 photos in one line, and heading will be our project. Okay, heading will be in the center our project. Let's go. This section hope is done. Create the next section. I will start and end. In between you will write. Next section. Next section is for class equal to bg-info bg-info p-5 bg-info p5 and text-white and text-center also. You will write here a division class container you will write the next division class row, and what you want to display in this division class equal to call-lg-12, and inside that you will display under the h3 you can write our project. Next you will create the next row, and inside the next row you are going to display total 12 photo in one line. So till here done. Now in the row you will display how many photo? 12 photo. देखिए display कीजिए. How many photo? 12 photo. Which class we are following? Okay. Next. Anyone can send you? All LG1. 12 photo. Not one photo. Okay, 12 times. One, two, three. 4, 5, 6. 12 photo become very small size. Okay, so no problem. This is also okay. So we can leave here. Again, tomorrow we can sit and we'll complete this template. We'll add the footer. In footer, we'll add the social media icons. Then we'll go to the service file, register, login, and contact. Now hold on, I'll share you some photo.